Good morning, students. In previous class, we are discussing about solution of system of linear equations by using matrix method. Okay. Now today I will continue based on the matrix method to solve some more problems. ಅದೇ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸನ್ನು ಇವತ್ತು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ನಾವು ಹಿಯರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 7 ಸೇಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ದ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ 3 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ 6. ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಥರ್ಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬೈ 3 and add second number to it, we get 11. By adding first and third number, we get double of the second number. We get double of the second number. So represent it algebraically and find the 3 numbers using matrix method. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 3 ನಂಬರ್ ಇದಾವೆ, 3 ನಂಬರ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನ, ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಥರ್ಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬೈ 3, ಥರ್ಡ್ ನಂಬರಿಗೆ 3ದಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 11 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಬೈ ಆ್ಯಡಿಂಗ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ನಂಬರ್, ಮೊದಲನೇ ನಂಬರು ಮತ್ತು ಥರ್ಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಮೂರನೇ ನಂಬರ್ದ ಡಬಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡಬಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ದ ಡಬಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಟು ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಾಯಿಕಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. Totally 3 numbers. We don't know 3 numbers. Now let us take here, let first number, second number and third numbers are say x, y, z. More numbers have told no x, y, z. According to the question, ಅದರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ 3 ನಂಬರ್ ಈಸ್ 6 ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಝಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 6. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನ, ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಥರ್ಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬೈ 3, ಥರ್ಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿನೋಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಝಡ್, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಥರ್ಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬೈ 3 ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು 3z ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಈಸ್ y, we get 11, right? Next, by adding first and third number, first number denoted by x, third number denoted by z, by adding first and third number x plus z, we get double of the second number y, double, 2 times y. This is algebraic expression. Now rearrange. Therefore first equation as it is, x plus y plus z is equal to 6. Second equation, there is no x term, we write 0 into x plus y plus 3z is equal to 11. Third equation, rearrange, x, take 2y on left side, minus 2y plus z is equal to 0. We got 3 linear equations. Now to find x, y, z using matrix method. You know how to solve matrix method. Step number 1, let A is the matrix. Write the coefficients of x, y, z. What are the coefficients of x, y, z? 1, 1, 1. First row 1, 1, 1. Second row there is no x term, that is 0. Coefficient of y 1. Coefficient of z 3. Third line, coefficient of x 1. Coefficient of y minus 2. Coefficient of z 1. This is A matrix. To find 3 unknown values x, y, z denoted by capital X, let capital X is equal to x, y, z, and constant terms denoted by B is equal to, what are the constant numbers, 6, 11, 0. Okay, therefore these 3 matrices satisfying the equation A into x is equal to B implies capital X is equal to A inverse into B. You know how to solve that problem. Okay, now to find A inverse, what is the formula for A inverse? A inverse is equal to 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Okay. Now to find determinant of A. Determinant of A is equal to determinant 1 1 1, second row 0 1 3, third row 1 minus 2 1. Okay. Then expand it, plus minus plus 1 into 1 lies in first row first column, deleting first row first column 4 numbers, the difference of the cross multiply 1 into 1 1 minus difference minus sign minus 2 into 3 minus 6 minus into minus plus 6 minus 1 into deleting first row second column, the difference of the cross multiply 0 into 1 0 minus 1 into 3 3 plus 1 into deleting first row third column 0 into minus 2 0, difference minus 1 into 1 1. Okay, simplify 7 minus 1 into minus 3 plus 3, 1 into minus 1 minus 1, that is 9, which is not equal to 0. 7 plus 3 10, 10 minus 1 9, 9 is not equal to 0, therefore the given matrix is non-singular. Then go for adjoint. Definition of adjoint: transpose of the cofactors. Now how many cofactors? 9 cofactors. C11 plus, because 1 plus 1 2 even number, positive sign. Now write directly by deleting first row first column, you will get 4 numbers, the difference of the cross multiply 1 into 1 1 minus minus 2 into 3 minus 6 minus into minus plus 6, that is 7. C12 1 plus 2 3, 3 is odd number, minus sign, deleting first row second column 4 numbers, the difference of the cross multiply 0 into 1 0, difference minus 3, minus into minus plus 3. C13 plus, by deleting first row third column 4 numbers, the difference of the cross multiply 0 into minus 2 0 minus 1, that is minus 1. C21 2 plus 1 3, 3 odd number, minus sign, deleting second row first column 4 numbers, the difference of the cross multiply 1 into 1 1 minus 2 into 1 minus 2, that minus into minus plus 2 minus 1 plus 2 3. C22 plus, deleting second row second column 4 numbers, the difference of the cross multiply 1 into 1 1 minus 1 into 1 1, that is 1 minus 1 0. C23 minus, because 2 plus 3 5, 5 odd number, that is minus sign, deleting second row third column 4 numbers, the difference of the cross multiply 1 into minus 2 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3, that minus into minus plus 3. Take third row C31 plus, 3 plus 1 4, 4 even number, positive sign, deleting third row first column 4 numbers, the difference of the cross multiply 1 into 3 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1 2. C32 minus, deleting third row second column 4 numbers, 1 into 3 3 minus 0 into 1 0, that is minus 3. Finally C33 plus, deleting third row third column 4 numbers, the difference of the cross multiply 1 into 1 1 minus 0, that is 1. These are the cofactors. Therefore adjoint of A is equal to transpose of the corresponding cofactors. So how many cofactors? Estida note cofactors, 9 cofactors. Okay, now here C11 7, C12 3, C13 minus 1, C21 minus 3, then C22 0, C23 3, C31 2, C32 minus 3, C33 1, its transpose. Definition of transpose: interchanging the rows and columns. First row elements are 7 3 minus 1, write in first column. Second row elements are minus 3 0 3, write in second column, minus 3 0 3. Third row 2 minus 3 1, write in third column. This is adjoint of a square matrix. Therefore, A inverse is equal to 1 divided by determinant of A. Determinant of A value 9 into adjoint 7 minus 3 2, 3 0 minus 3 minus 1 3 1. This is A inverse. Therefore, capital X is equal to formula ಏನಿದೆ A inverse into B. A inverse value 1 by 9 into 7 minus 3 2, 3 0 minus 3 minus 1 3 1. This is A inverse into B. B matrix 3 numbers 6 11 0. 6 11 0 is equal to 1 by 9 into multiply row by column 7 into 6 42 minus 3 into 11 minus 33 2 into 0 0. Second row by first column 6 3s are 18 0 into 11 0 minus 3 into 0 0. 0 into 11 0 minus 3 into 0 0. Third row by first column minus 1 into 6 6 11 into 3 33 1 into 0 0 is equal to 1 by 9 into 42 minus 33 I think 9 correct? Yes 18 33 minus 6 13 minus that is 27. Okay, now but the value of capital X is X Y Z is equal to 1 by 9 into 9 1, 1 by 9 into 18 9 1s are 9 2s are 1 by 9 into 27 9 3s are. Clearly these two matrices having same order are said to be equal if and only if corresponding elements are equal. X is equal to 1, Y is equal to 2, Z is equal to 3. 3 numbers are 1 2 3. Check it, check ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. Sum of 3 number is 6. We got 3 numbers 1 2 3. Put X value 1, Y value 2, Z value 3. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6. Second equation substitute ಮಾಡಿ 0 into X. X value 1, 1 into 0 0. Y value 2, 2 plus 3 into Z value 3, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 2 11. Third equation substitute ಮಾಡಿ X value 1 minus 2 into Y value 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 minus 4 minus 3 plus Z value 3, minus 3 plus 3 0. So 3 numbers are 1 2 3. Clear? This is word problem 5 mark question. That is also 5 mark. Okay. Problem number 8, again word problem. The cost of 4 kg onion, 3 kg wheat and 2 kg rice is rupees 60. Whereas the cost of 2 kg onion, 4 kg wheat and 6 kg of rice is rupees 90. Also the cost of 6 kg onion, 2 kg wheat and 3 kg rice is rupees 70. Now the question, find the cost of each item per kg by using matrix method. Hagadra, there are 3 items, namely onion, wheat, rice. Hagadra, onion per kg, how much amount? What is the wheat per kg, how much amount? Whereas rice per kg, how much amount? We have to calculate by using matrix method. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ 1 kg ಗೆ ಆನಿಯನ್ ಬೆಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು, wheat 1 kg ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ, rice 1 kg ಬೆಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. We don't know. Now we take, now here let the cost of ಯಾವುದು ಆನಿಯನ್, wheat and rice per kg is rupees, we don't know, we take X rupee, Y rupee and Z rupee. ಎಷ್ಟು ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, we take X, Y, Z. according to the question, the cost of 4 kg onion, as you know that 1 kg onion rupees X, what is 4 kg onion? That is 4X, right? And cost of wheat per kg rupees Y, here 3 kg of wheat, how much amount? 3Y plus the cost of rice per kg rupees Z, therefore 2 kg of rice, 2Z. Total items of rupees 60. ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 4 kg ಆನಿಯನ್, 3 kg wheat, 2 kg ರೈಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಾಗ 60 rupees. Similarly, the cost of 2 kg onion, that is 2x, 4 kg wheat, that is 4y, then 6 kg rice, 6z is rupees 90. Also, the cost of 6 kg onion, 6x, cost of 2 kg wheat, 2y, and cost of 3 kg rice, 3z is rupees 70. Now to find the cost of each item by using matrix method. Now cost of each item of per kg is rupees x, y, z. To calculate x, y, z using matrix method, you know how to solve. First step, let A is a matrix, write the coefficients of x, y, z. What are the coefficients of x, y, z? 4, 3, 2, second row, 2, 4, 6, third row, 6, 2, 3. This is A matrix. To find 3 values x, y, z denoted by capital X is equal to x, y, z. And constant terms, B is equal to 60, 90, 70. Okay? Therefore, these 3 matrices satisfying the equation A into x is equal to B. This implies capital X is equal to A inverse into B. Now to find A inverse, you know the formula. A inverse is equal to 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Now to find determinant of A. Now determinant of A is equal to determinant 4, 3, 2, 2, 4, 6, 6, 2, 3, plus, minus, plus. Expand that determinant. You know how to expand it. Okay. 4 into, deleting first row, first column, 4 numbers. The difference of the cross multiply. 4 3s are 12. Difference minus 2, 6 are 12. Minus 3 into, deleting first row, second column. 2 3s are 6. Minus 6 6s are 36. Plus 2 into, deleting first row, third column, 2 2s are 4, minus 6 4s are 24. How much? This is 0, 6 minus 36 minus 30, minus 30 into minus 3 plus 90, 33s are 90, 4 minus 24 minus 20 into 2, minus 40, 90 minus 40, 50, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, the given matrix is non-singular matrix. Then to find adjoint, definition of adjoint, transpose of the corresponding cofactors. How many cofactors? 9 cofactors. C11 plus, by deleting first row, first column, cross multiply, 12 minus 12, ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಲ್ವಾ. Then C12 minus, deleting first row, second column, 4 numbers, the difference of the cross multiply, 2 3s are 6, minus 6 6s are 36, that is plus 30. C13, 1 plus 3 4, 4 is the one number, positive sign, deleting first row, third column, 4 numbers, 2 2s are 4, minus 24, 4 minus 24 minus 20. C21 minus, deleting second row, first column, 4 numbers, 3 3s are 9, minus 4, 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4, that is minus 5. C22 plus, deleting second row, second column, 4 numbers, 4 3s are 12, minus 6 2s are 12, 12 minus 12, 0. C23 minus, deleting second row, third column, 4 numbers, 4 2s are 8, minus 6 3s are 18, that is plus 10. 8 minus 18, minus 10, minus into minus plus 10. Next C31 plus deleting third row first column 4 numbers 6 3s are 18 minus 8. 18 minus 8 that is 10. Next C32 plus minus 3 plus 2 5. 5 is odd number minus sign. Deleting third row second column. Third row second column 4 numbers 4 6 are 24 minus 2 2s are 4. 24 minus 4 20, here minus sign, that is minus 20. C33 plus deleting third row third column 4 numbers 4 4s are 16 minus 6. 4 4s are 16 minus 2 3s are 6, that is 10. These are the cofactors. Therefore adjoint of A is equal to, definition of adjoint, transpose of the corresponding cofactors. C11 C12 30, C13 minus 20, C21 minus 5, C22 0, C23 10, C31 10, C32 minus 20, C33 10, its transpose. Definition of transpose, interchanging the rows and columns. 0 30 minus 20 minus 5 0 10 10 minus 20 10. This is adjoint. Therefore A inverse is equal to, what is the formula for A inverse? A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. A inverse is equal to, therefore A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A value 50 into adjoint of A 0 minus 5 10, second row 30 0 minus 20, third row minus 20 10 10. This is inverse matrix. Okay, A inverse formula 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Okay, next to find capital X, therefore capital X is equal to A inverse into B. A inverse value 1 by 50 into 0 minus 5 10, 30 0 minus 20 minus 20 10 10 into B. What is B matrix? 60 90 70. Simplify. 1 divided by 50 into multiplication of these two matrix, multiply row by column. 0 into 60 0, minus 5 into 90 minus 450, 10 into 70 700. Second row by first column, 30 into 60 1800, correct? 0 into 90 0, minus 20 into 70 1400. Third row by first column, minus 20 into 60 minus 1200, 10 into 90 900, 10 into 70 700 is equal to 1 divided by 50 into, simplify, 700 minus 450 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 250 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ? 1800 minus 1400 400, minus 1200 plus 900 minus 300, minus 300 plus 700 400. But the value of capital X, X, Y, Z is equal to 1 divided by 50 into 250, that is 1 0 cancel, 5 ones are 5 5s are. 1 divided by 50 into 400, 1 0 cancel, 5 8s are 40. 1 by 50 into 400, 1 0 cancel, that is 5 8s are 40. Clearly these two matrices having same order are said to be equal, therefore corresponding elements are equal. X is equal to 5, Y is equal to 8, Z is equal to 8. XYZ what? XYZ ಏನವು? Cost of onion per kg rupees X. Therefore cost of onion per kg is rupees x, x value 5. Cost of ಯಾವುದು wheat per kg is rupees y, y value 8 rupees, and cost of rice per kg is rupees z, z value 8 rupees. ನೋಡ್ರಿ 1 kg onion 5 rupees, 1 kg wheat 8 rupees, 1 kg rice 8 rupees. ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ವೈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಝೆಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸನ್ನು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರಬೇಕು. 4x, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 5, 4 ಇಂಟು 5 20 ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದು, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3y ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ wheat per kg ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 8 rupees, 3 ಇಂಟು 8 24, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2z, z ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ 8, 2 ಇಂಟು 8 16, ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ 20 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 24 44, 44 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 16 60 rupees. ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 90 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 70 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಇರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಇದು. ದ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆನಿಯನ್ ಪರ್ ಕೆ ಜಿ rupees 5, ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ wheat rupees ಪರ್ ಕೆ ಜಿ 8, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರೈಸ್ ಪರ್ ಕೆ ಜಿ rupees 8 rupees. Okay. Last result in this topic. Remember, note that, note number 1, if A is singular matrix, you know the definition of singular. If A is singular matrix, then determinant of A is equal to 0, then inverse matrix does not exist. In this case, that system of equation is said to be inconsistent. Another name of singular matrix is here inconsistent. ಯಾವಾಗ inconsistent ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? If its determinant value is become 0, then inverse matrix does not exist. Then the system of equation is said to be inconsistent. Whereas note number 2, if A is non-singular matrix, non-singular definition, determinant of A is not equal to 0. If determinant of A is not equal to 0, therefore the given matrix is said to be non-singular. If A is non-singular matrix, determinant of A is not equal to 0, then whether inverse exists or does not exist. Clearly inverse matrix exists. In this case, the system of equation is said to be consistent. Consistent means determinant of A is not equal to 0. Inconsistent, determinant of A is equal to 0. By using the concept for inconsistent and consistent to solve some simple problems, only 4 problems. Now here the question, examine the consistency of system of following equations. Now let us verify whether the following equations are linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. How to identify? If it is consistent, determinant of A is not equal to 0. If it is inconsistent, determinant of A is equal to 0. If it is consistent, determinant of A is not equal to 0. Now look here. Now first problem, examine the consistency of the system of equation. First problem, that is x plus 2y, x plus 2y is equal to 2. Second equation, 2x plus 3y is equal to 3. Verify whether the given equation is consistent or inconsistent. Now here you know that write A is the matrix, write the coefficients of x and y 1, 2, 2, 3. There are 2 unknown values denoted by capital X is equal to x1, and constant terms denoted by B, that is 2, 3. Okay. Now verify whether the given equation is consistent or inconsistent. Definition, determinant of A is equal to 0, it is said to be inconsistent. Check it. Now to find determinant of A, determinant of A is equal to determinant 1, 2, 2, 3. The difference of the cross multiply expand 1 into 3, 3, 2 2s are 4, 3 minus 4 minus 1, which is not equal to 0. Therefore determinant of A is not equal to 0. If determinant of A is not equal to 0, what happen? The system of equation is, therefore system of equation, the system of equation is what? Consistent. 2 mark question. Okay, other determinant value 0 barlilla andre the system is said to be consistent. Okay, whereas second problem, similarly second one nodi enide 2x plus y is equal to 5, x plus y is equal to 4. Okay, now first step, write A is the matrix, coefficients of x and y 2 minus 1 1 1. There are two variables xy which is denoted by capital X is equal to xy. Constant terms denoted by B, that is 5 4. Okay, now to find determinant of A, determinant 2 minus 1 1 1. The difference of the cross multiply, first you take the principal diagonals, 2 ones are 2, difference minus 1 into minus 1 minus 1, minus into minus plus 1, 2 plus 1 3, which is not equal to 0. Therefore determinant of A is not equal to 0. Determinant of A is not equal to 0, then system of equation is said to be consistent. Therefore therefore system of equation is what? Consistent. System of equation is consistent. Okay, whereas third problem, third enide nodi 3 variables x plus y plus z is equal to 1, 2x plus 3y plus 2z is equal to 2, ax plus by plus 2az is equal to 4. Verify whether the system of equation is consistent or inconsistent. Let A is the matrix, write the coefficients of xyz. Coefficient of xyz are real values, real numbers, namely coefficient of xyz first row 1 1 1, second row 2 3 2, third row A, coefficient of y A, coefficient of z 2a. Now there are 3 unknown values, capital X is equal to x, y, z, and constant terms denoted by B is equal to 1 2 4. Okay, therefore A into x equal to B. Now to find determinant of A, determinant of A is equal to determinant 1 1 1 2 3 2 A 2a. Expand that determinant. You know how to expand it. 1 into deleting first row first column 4 numbers, the difference of the cross multiply 3 into 2a 6a minus a into 2 2a. Okay, next minus 1 into deleting first row second column 4 numbers, cross multiply 2 into 2a 4a minus a into 2 2a, plus 1 into deleting first row third column 2 into a 2a minus 3 into a 3a. So 6a minus 2a 4a, 4a minus 2a 2a into minus 1 minus 2a, 2a minus 3a minus a, that is equal to 4a minus 2a 1a, sorry 2a, 2a minus 1a a, which is not equal to 0. A is real number. Therefore determinant of A is not equal to 0. If determinant of A is not equal to 0, hence system of equation enagutte, the system of equation is what? Consistent. System of equation is consistent. Determinant of A is not equal to 0, then the system of equation is consistent. If determinant of A is equal to 0, then system of equation is inconsistent. Okay, whereas fourth problem, fourth one nodi enagutte, fourth problem, fourth problem 3x minus y minus 2z is equal to 2, 2y minus z is equal to minus 1, 3x minus 5y is equal to 3. Examine, verify the given system of equation is consistent or inconsistent. Now here take A is the matrix, write the coefficients of x, y, z, 3, minus 1, minus 2. Second line, there is no x term, 0. Observe ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ x term ಇಲ್ಲ. Don't write 2, that is 2, minus 1, 0. x term ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Coefficient of x is 0, coefficient of y is 2, coefficient of z is minus 1. Third line, 3, coefficient of y minus 5. Here in third equation there is no z term, that is 0. Correct? Now there are 3 variables x, y, z denoted by capital X and constant terms denoted by B, that is 2, minus 1, 3. Okay? Therefore, now to find determinant of A. Determinant of A is equal to determinant 3 minus 1 minus 2, 0, 2 minus 1, 3 minus 5, 0, plus minus plus. Expand it. 3 into deleting first row, first column, 4 numbers, 2 into 0, 0, difference minus, minus 5 into minus 1 plus 5, plus into minus, minus 5, minus into minus plus 1, deleting first row, second column, 4 numbers, 0 into 0, 0, difference minus, 3 into minus 1 minus 3, minus into minus plus 3, plus into minus, minus 2, deleting first row, third column, 4 numbers, 0 into minus 5, 0, difference minus 3 into 2, 6, 0 minus 5 minus 5 into 3 minus 15, 1 into 3, 3, minus 2 into minus 6 plus 12. ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, minus 15 plus 3 minus 12 plus 12, 0. Therefore determinant of A is equal to 0. If determinant of A is equal to 0, what happened? The system of equation is. Therefore, system of equation is what? Inconsistent. Inconsistent. ನೆನ್ಪಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟು ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. Clear students? So this completes matrices as well as determinants. ನೋಡಿ, ತುಂಬ ಈಸಿ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಕು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಈ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ದಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ 1 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಯಾವುದು, ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ವಿತ್ 3 ವರ್ಟೈಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್, ಇದನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅಥವಾ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಕೆ if the area of triangle is so and so and vertices are given using the determinant. Or one more result, that is find the equation of line joining 2 points using the determinant. ಇವು ಮೂರಲ್ಲೇ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆ್ಯನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ದಲ್ಲೇ, ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಂತರ ಇನ್ನು ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಯಾವುದು, ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಸುಮಾರು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಅವನ್ನ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ 4 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್. ಪ್ರೂವ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಸೇ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ that is 1 plus a b c, a 1 plus b c, a b 1 plus c is equal to 1 plus a plus b plus c, operating rows and columns. ಆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 4 ಮಾರ್ಕ್. 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ದೆನ್ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ದೆನ್ ಈ ಒಂದು 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದು, ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಫಾಲೋ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ, 2 to 3 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೋಟ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ಸ್. So one more topic is there in your syllabus, that is linear programming problem. Already you have learned in first PU, that is linear inequalities, that is extension of that part. ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲೇ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪಾರ್ಟನ್ನು ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ in your syllabus, that is linear programming problem. So to discuss that topic in next class. Okay students, thank you.